So welcome back to the channel, friends. In this video, uh, as I told you in the previous video, that we will build some more interesting apps rather than this plain app. So in the next app, we will going to build a quiz kind of app where after asking certain question, we will come to a conclusion. And in this app, we first have to introduce means we first have to put an question above, and then we will give options inside the buttons. We have three or four buttons here where we have text on the buttons regarding the answer of the question and options regarding the question, and we the user choose one of the options and then we move to the another question, and in the end we will give the conclusion of the uh, answered questions. So what the problem is that we have inside the scaffold widget, we have the body. Inside the body, we already used one widget, that is text widget, and at present we don't have another option to add another text widget, or we can use the raise button options. So if you can see, if I press the control plus spacebar, I have the other named arguments, but I haven't have this text, no suggestion, and I haven't have that raise button. You can say that there is no suggestions, nothing like this, and I cannot concatenate the text here. So in this case, we will take the help of invisible widgets. In Flutter, as I have already told you people, that we have some, everything is widget inside Flutter, and we have two type of widgets here. One is visible widget and one are the invisible widgets. So in this case, we will take the help of invisible widget, which at, that is rows and columns and some other invisible widgets. So we will take the rows and help of rows and column widgets, which will virtually divide the screen into rows and columns, and then we will use that thing to our advantage, and we will put more widget inside those rows and column widget. So this is how we are going to program this thing. And I have already told you that Flutter is, it provides us uh, very good tools and widgets, and flexibility is the main thing that we have with our Flutter uh, code. So let us start building our app. So I have told you that we will take the help of invisible widgets in this case. So we delete this, and in this case we will take the help of column widget, and inside column widget, so what column widget will do, it will divide the screen into columns. So we can have children of column widgets, and this will means we will go vertically in this case, and if we want to go horizontally, then we can use the row widget. So inside column widget, we will we will go for the argument name children, and we have a list of widgets here. So what is a list? This is again a new concept for you people. A list is uh, a list is a list is a group of data. So many other programming language, Dart has the concept of list. We can have a list of strings, we can have list of integers, we can have list of phone numbers, uh, etc etc. So we will discuss lists. If you are finding the list thing difficult thing, it's very easy. If you're still finding it difficult, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will make a separate video for that thing. At present, this much of information is I think useful for you people, that list is a type of data, and where we have a collection of we can say list of strings, a list of contact, even uh, we can have list of our grocery shopping, extra. And here we have a list of widgets, means we can have multiple widgets inside this list. So inside this list, we are going to add our widgets. So our first widget, as we have planned, is a text widget where we will have the question for the user. So the question would be like, uh, so keep it simple at present because we first want to have the idea of how invisible widgets are helping our visible widgets in placing them on the screen. And the question is question number one. And then we can add another widget which can be at present I am using raise button widget because raise I am using the raise button because it is the button which is having the background color so that we can differentiate it from the background. And inside raise button we can have so many options. We can add image, we can add other thing, but at present I am interested in writing, interested in using text widget to add some text into the button. So at present I'm interested in the text widget, and inside this text widget uh, I can write answer 1. So I will copy paste this thing, and we will add more widgets. Change the name to answer 2, answer 3, and since raise button means we have given the user a option to press the button. Since we use this raise button, so button on the clicking of a button we have an event, and we can always use the on pressed argument which ultimately gives us a function where we can write our logic. But at present we want to keep it simple and we will use the null value here. Null means nothing, it is a value which means nothing, so I'm using here null also. And in answer 3 I'm using on pressed null. So so we have our widgets here. We use our invisible widget, that is column, to use multiple widgets using a list of widgets which is using the named argument children, and we use the list of widgets. And inside list of widgets we have text widget, then we have our raise button 1, raise button 2, and raise button 3 widget. And if we run this thing now, let us see how these things appear on the screen on the mobile app. So what we do, we will do the hot reload thing, and let us see how things are. Okay, so this is how it looks on our emulator. We have the question number 1. Let me open the this thing. We have our question number 1 text, and then we have answer 1, then we have answer 2 and answer 3. Currently they are all disabled, we cannot press any button because I have put the value null here, because we don't know the logic yet how to connect this on press with this the click of the button. But we will definitely build this thing in the next video, and we will rearrange these things more. We will means work on the look and feel of this thing. And see you in the next video, friends. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share the video.